Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwash be known as a Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth, and I have brought one of the truth to you for you to understand that Nwashigburobi preaches nothing but the undiluted truth, and that is, I want to play a video of Ndara Chimezie, that is the Lolo Ndara Chimezie, for you to understand that the reason that they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, since the Nigerian government cannot compel Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to do their will, they have to use the criminals that they called DOS in order to do it. And if you have followed my exposition on this very platform for too long, if you have followed my exposition, I used to say something. After they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you remember before they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have rejected all the politicians. We have rejected all of them. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying on Radio Biafra that the politicians are pressing button in order to penetrate into the family. At a time, he told you that politicians are now in IPOB, that they are forcing him in order to go back to the political nonsense. But we have crossed the Rubicon, a point of no return, and we cannot go back to it. Then after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, the first person to run to Radio Biafra to shout, oh, if they tell you that the politicians are evil, just don't listen to those people. That anybody telling you politicians are evil, you cannot get your freedom without the politicians. They are the ones to help us get our freedom. It was Chinasa Nwoshi, the same guy who wanted your sympathy and then run. These very people run a very complicated propaganda network. He wants your sympathy and then he run to record a voice saying a lie. Anytime we give a voice and you complain that I have politicians, then the same Enugu you campaign for. At a time, Peter, what is his name? Peter Mba was campaigning. You use your Twitter, you campaign for Peter Mba and said that anybody attacking Peter Mba does not mean well for Ndibo and does not mean well for Biafra. You said you, Chinasa Nwoshi, you know Peter Mba very well and you know him as a gentleman. When Mazi Simon Ekpa was telling our people, beware of the Oluwolemba, you was campaigning for him. Today, they are now using voice note. A lie. Over 20-something people, the same person they campaign for. The same person. I want to play a voice because these very people are running a very complicated network. To you people, it is complicated, but to me, I understand it. I have been in this IPOB longer than all of them. I have been in Biafra struggle longer than all of them. And I understand their manipulations. Just they are using very sophisticated manipulating network, just like the idiot called the very easy man. He's using sophisticated manipulation network on some people. Then over actually jide ya wepụta case. This case na ejikwa wenwe case always on the Igbo na-eme fraud. Always on the Igbo na-eme fraud. You have not come out to ndaboki niile na-egwu ndị mmadụ wayo. You have not come out and bring onye aboki onye Igbo ndara. I'm not supporting fraud, please. Anybody made a fraud, so disgrace onya. But I am against one-sided justice. I am against it anywhere. One-sided, in order to project Igbo man to the world as a fraud. Every time, Igbo. Onye tribe also, every time. Na 419 niile ndị Yoruba na-eme na ala Yoruba. Na 419 niile ndị Ugwu na-eme na Only Igbo first. Tomorrow you tell me, oh, I don't sympathize with criminals. He's a criminal as other people, and he's not part of my preaching. I have to go on in this very program. I have to go on, please. I don't look at anybody's face. When I preach the gospel truth, I will preach it undilutedly. So the same Chinasa Nwoshi that campaign for Peter Mba, campaign for Soludo, campaign for Hope Uzodimma impressive by his nke ha ji ike adọwashi nke a ji ike akpa ego ogiri shigburu nne nke unu na-akpọ ike nsị n'uru agụ ogiri okpei ndị uru ogiri ushi ndị uru agụ. He said that over na Yoma ihe Yoma, he wouldn't attack Hope Uzodimma, that Hope Uzodimma is working. So if Hope Uzodimma is against the DOS, why is their DOS boy campaigning for Hope Uzodimma, saying that the man is genuine? Why? And I told you, anything you see Obontunu Uruagu saying, that is the stand of this idiot called DOS. I have analyzed them spiritually and physically. Their capacity is just cowardice. They are like scavengers. When I did their spiritual analysis then, they were shown to me as hyenas and jackals. Go and check since then till now. If you know the hyenas and jackals strategy, go and check still now what they are doing. Hyenas and jackal strategy, which will not stand. So I want to tell you what is the essence of this very program, is to refresh your memory that the same people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was speaking about, linking you to the politicians, are this riffraff. They have come again. This essence of their propaganda against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, very, very chaotic. They say, oh, they want to remove IPOB from one-man show. So it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu one-man show. When you cut them, oh, you're attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say, no, he's our leader. It's just that some people have hijacked. So who is the one man? Who is the one man? What they are attacking is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. That is the one-man show that they are telling you. He is the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. That is the one-man show that they are telling you that they want to remove. So to them, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ceases to be supreme leader. That's one thing that they are telling you. And they are very, very chaotic in the way they send their message. Very, very chaotic. They are not willing to stand. They always go through prophecy. Today, on this very program, I will show you how they have brought the idiots, Lolo, Nnamdi, Chimezie, in order to come and say, oh, Mazi, you are not part of IPOB, but you want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to give a message to sack the barrister. Or barrister. I told you people that Ejiofo was part of and parcel of IPOB. They said, no, he was just a barrister. Ejiofo was a commander. A commander was killed in Ejiofo's compound. Go and ask Ejiofo, why is it that commander was killed in your compound? What is the commander doing there? The commander was assigned to Ejiofo for protection, and not only him, other commanders who were protecting Ejiofo. Ejiofo sold them through Udele. Now, if you can open your brain and know what is happening in Biafra land, what is happening in Biafra land is connection between them and Udele. Have you seen them attacking Udele anywhere? Have you seen Udele attacking them? I know that when I did exposition, Udele will continue, because once I mention them, the next day you will see them attacking each other. What is happening? You see Udele walking from one Biafra post to the other, talking nonsense. They are the ones backing Udele. Those things that you see Udele doing. Udele told you, oh, he owns Imo State. That the same thing Obontunu Uruagu said. Is Obontunu supporting DOS. He is DOS boy. So why, if they are against each other, why is Opontunuru and Udele working in synergy? Some of you had to decode the things. The reason why these other people are going everywhere in Biafra land is because the criminals in the sacked DOS, defunct DOS that have seen Biafra as their career, that have seen Biafra as their money-making machine, that have seen Biafra as their job. They have failed in everything that they have done. Yahoo, they failed. Car snatching that they are doing in Biafra land, they won't cease to continue because Ejiofo used to say, oh, our leader said you should stop car snatching. Now that Mazi Nnamdi is not your leader, he have diffused that car snatching. He is not the leader of Ndina car snatching. So you now know who is the leader of the car snatching. That is in Obuano in Switzerland. They are trying to tell you, oh, IPOB is going through structural. Okay, Unana be IPOB. Then what are you agitating for? What are you people doing? How are you going through it? When you got Israel, Gaga make a breakaway. Ekuoku Biafra in Israel, for the very first time, they wrote to the woman, oh, submit all the forms. We need to go through it. They are very, very confused elements. That is, if you know what I mean. Very, very confused elements. And we have not gone through prayer on this very platform. We need to go through prayer. When we are back, we will talk about other things. Let's go through prayer, please.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụla ya na-achị. Onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi. Onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi. Mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ gị ebighị ebi, onye nwe m. Ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. N'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu, ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu ọgbe wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile. N'ihi na anyị enweghị ichi ọzọ ewezuga gị, anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile, anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na enweghị ichi ọzọ egwezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị ise.
Welcome to this very program. Welcome back. Oya biko ka anyị gaa nụ direct ka anyị kọọ n'ubi onye anyị bịara ka anyị gaa gee nụ nkọ eri nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri nke Ejiofo kpọtara ụnụ. Ejiofo, you are my lawyer, yes. You are my lawyer. Ihe nji wee bịa, they are trying very hard. Ejiofo ache mma Ejiofo sị na ọya nwa rejected the resign. Ejiofo sị na ọya nwa resign, but Lolo Nneka is saying ọ bụrụ na Mazi Nnamdi ama na-enye Ejiofo meseji DOS meseji na ọ bụ Ejiofo kọ ebe onye akọ ebe a, eche m sị na ọya nwa resign. Hey, asị o nwere time ndị anyị atụgide asị ịgbado ha, asị ịtọbakwuo ha ka anyị ga-gee ya ntị, please.
So Mazi Nnamdi inweta IPOP no gị na mbụ right now, very close to you, mana ọ ga-echi gị n'aka either to destroy it or to get it, because both you and IPOP are very important in this struggle, very, very important at this point in time. Mana ige play with your card well. And my nobody will ever tell you. The Biafran struggle will leave you behind.
Unu na-anụ ọ na-speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nọ on social media. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-watch ya. And ọ gwara unu the other time that she went to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto prison. She herself went to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto and she speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, she can no longer go to Sokoto. She is now on Facebook. They speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Easy. And what is she saying? Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with the IPOB, the Anambwaka, we, the indigenous people of Biafra, not Umuofeke, not all this failed Yahoo, all these social media touts that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu raised yesterday and they became against him. If you are fighting for this very freedom, you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention, then you turn to fight Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it means that the type of sabo in your blood can never close. So she's saying Nayon speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu direct, and she's saying Niwete IPOB ya the Anambwaka. Who is IPOB? It's Ejiofo IPOB. IPOB means the indigenous people of Biafra. Do this thing. Majority of our people stands with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I saw the propaganda that they were taking. I saw one idiot. One day I will play his video. That was saying that Benjamin was going everywhere, saying that he is now the Eastern Security Network commander. He is this and that. The truth remains that Benjamin is the Eastern Security Network commander. When that time was very hard to create Eastern Security Network, why you now no come put Bodina stand? It was Benjamin Mmadebog that stood. Why is it that none of you came and stood? It was Benjamin Mmadebog that stood. And that why I disrespected Benjamin Mmadebog was aligning with himself with your people. Now that he have excused and rescued himself from your people, he remains to get his prestige, but on one condition, he must renounce all the nonsense he said against PM, Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, because he himself knew that Mazi Simon Ekpa never committed anything. He was aligning with Ejiofo, spreading lies. Today, where have that lies landed Benjamin? He have reduced himself to nothing. He have reduced himself to nothing. That is, when you help those idiots in order to run propaganda against this God-ordained struggle, they will end up disgracing you. And that is what they have done to Benjamin. They reduced Benjamin to nothing. And today you are seeing Benjamin on social media backing like this thing, but that has ended. He needs to retrace his step against Mazi Simon Ekpa, because Benjamin knew that Simon Ekpa committed nothing. 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 The informations that I have, you don't have it. The things that they went to tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you don't have it. Even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not against Simon Ekpa. But they went to tell him rubbish. They went to tell him, oh, he have overtaken you, or he have overthrown you. He is now the leader. You are now this thing. He is taking people's interest away from you. But those of you, all of you know what I'm saying. So this Okoko here is saying, Inwete IPOB no inambwaka, I has a Biafra struggle no. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is standing strong for Biafra struggle. Show me one idiot that you are there. All because of this Biafra struggle, you will promote Ejiofo. Go and ask Ejiofo in DSS, who was she? Ordinary onye na-ehicha tebụl, o hicha tebụl ehicha ya tụrụ azụ, o jide tebụl azụ na-ehicha tụrụ latemoni tụrụ azụ. But all this Biafra struggle, ha nye ya ọkwa in order to get Ejiofo and informations, and they get it. The idiot is now singing to Nigerian government. He compromised. They were part and parcel of the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let us go and listen to this punk woman. Nke ishi ya dịka antenna. Ọ na-akụ inyo. Let us go and listen, please.
Read my lips today. Write today's date down. I will be a member of IPOP. Mana dịka onye nọ n'akụkụ, ị ga-akpacha anya Mazi, ahụhụ ịtara ga-ala n'iyi.
Read my lips today. Abụghị m a member of IPOB. But dịka onye nọ n'akụkụ, since you are not a member of IPOB, how do you know things inside? It is Ejiofo that is your lawyer who brought you to fight. Because Ejiofo, since he left, agụụ chọrọ igbu ya. The idiot did not keep 1 naira. Ị na-agbagharị nzama from IPOB all over the world. A na-atụrụ ya ego, ọ ga-ebe ọta azụ. Since we pursued him, he can no longer do that rubbish. He brought this one. Since you are not a member of IPOB, why are you crying more than the bereft? Ọnọdụ ka mmadụ ga-ebe ozu nwụrụ. Onye ọbụla gba nkịtị. You are not a member of the family. Ị bịaruo, ha wuwe ozu nke a, ị marụburu onwe gị tụ n'ala, egbuo mma ala n'ala ili. Ibekata ihe a ndị okenye nọ ha akpọ ọsọ bịa iko. Bịa, sụsụ jide na onye a. O nwere ihe onye ama, anyị na-ama, ka ajụta kene. Nna m, kedu ka isi wee mara onye nwụrụ m? Because you cannot be more Catholic than the Romans. You cannot be more Catholic than the Pope. I am Nwashiburobi, please. So de ya na ọkụ. Na ọ ga-akpacha anya ụmụ ihe ndị a bụ ihe that Karo White barrister. Barrister jigoro ude ọ dị ka nso nhụ Ejiofo. Some ihu ya gbara ọkụ na ego ka eji maintain ya ego ndị IPOB. Onye amole ihu ya arụzi na nke uwe ugbu a. Because when he was in charge of the case of IPOB, many people all over the world were dashing him money. Many reached out to him. That was the reason why he was able to build that house. Joy yasi Ejiofo, rụọ ha n'ọzọ na a na-agagharị a na-agbagharị ị ga-akpacha anya it is the money ha na-emeki from IPOB. Those shouting to you, IPOB, jụọ Ejiofo si ya ka m gwa unu this thing now. Na nke ọda n'ike unu na-akpọga men ka agaga saa men shie men n'ọkụ. When ọda n'ike was alive na nke ọda n'ike unu na-akpọga men. Ejiofo, were you not collecting return from ọda n'ike? How many organize men? Enwere ike eruo 50, 100, sometimes a na-eru 200, sometimes a na-eru 300, 10,000 each. Ọda n'ike give them 2,000 on each person. Each person akpọtara 2,000 n'elu ya. Now, just to calculate 300 men. And every 2 weeks, every month, a na-achị men aga. Every week, a nọ na nke ọda n'ike, a na-achị men aga Ejiofo na-ana return. Ọ na-ana return mgbe ọda n'ike nọ alive. Every time ọ nọ nga ahụ ọgwụ iri na nke ọda n'ike. 2,000 on each people. Just imagine na chetara 300 people. Or 600,000. Every week. To states every 2 weeks. To individuals, other states in Abiakwa, Ejiofo is making money from Ọda n'ike every day. That is the reason why Ijiweme, ị na-ahụ Ejiofo, ị na-ahụ Ọda n'ike. So those money are no longer coming. They no longer see anybody that will come and say, oh, go and fortify yourself. Oh, go and fortify Nigeria. Another return. Fortification supposed to be, though, go fortification. But onwe go fortification for 1 day. Onweghị onye n'ime ha kwụrụ ụgwọ fortification for 1 day. In fact, ka m gwazie gị 419 ha na-eme. There is one called Abega. Abega came to state and sold Odieshi to men. Gwa ha na Odieshi a na-eshiri ya n'ọkụ. He sold it all in form of ring. 5,000, So men now believe na o wetere power, o gwara ha sị na ha hụ egbe na egbeche ha n'ihu ọma mgba. So they now believe na power nọ n'ime ọdịeshi. Abegara eshiri ha. Some of them that live around that, what are they calling it, Alaba, after buying it, they were going. On the way, they countered armed robber. You know that those armed robber that used to stay in the hold-up sometimes to rob people. They countered armed robber. So they were like, nah, I buterike today. Ka I were ya banda here. Ebe ndị mmadụ na-agba ọsọ ndị aga ịga aba ndị ohi. Ndị ohi gbaji ofu onye aka. Aka the boy down like this. Na-eme lebelebelebe. Ya gasara n'ala. Oge ndị otu ndị ha na-eso hụrụziri na agbatuo n'ofu onye, ndị nke ọzọ a n'ọsọ. The next meeting they came na enyere ha fake ihe a. Kedu ebe onye nke ọzọ nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ? Nna m filikwe na obere ihe. Agazie aka mmadụ adana akwụgidere ụgwọ anyị tụgidere na-ayọ biko. Because then we have to, that was the time of regime change. I toporo abega by fire by force. Owego 419 ha na-eme 4110 and Abega, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knew what he told Abega. Abega was their man, all right-hand man Ejiofo. Right-hand man Ejiofo, this Eji Onyara. Unere fekodi eshi, ndoshi. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB na ginamba kamaka 419 unji IPOB eme. Fekodi eshi, ndoshi. This very thing was compiled and we sent it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That look at the 419 aneme. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abused Abega on the day aneme regime change. Told him that ihe ọbụla ị na-achọ ihe ọbụla nọ na mbọ aka ka ị were fai n'ọnụ kpata fai n'ọnụ, which is not one thing that we have come in this very struggle. That is obi na-agbụwa ha to you today against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stop them. And they have to fight Mazi Simon Ekpa. Oh, you Mazi Nnamdi Kanu attack. Oh, if you leave Mazi Simon Ekpa, he will attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Guess who is now attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Calling IPOB a family business. You that is not running a family business. Oh, Simon, we stop Simon. So Simon have become your distant. You lie to people that Mazi Simon Ekpa is Nigerian government agent. Man, no, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mba. Unsahana Mazi Nnamdi Kanu signed with Nigerian government in order to extradite Simon. How can Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sign with Nigerian government that Simon Ekpa is already working for? To bring Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. Aghọta m, onwe ihe nna aghọta. I will continue to expose all of you. Share this very program, please. Share this very program and hit the like button. It's very, very important. Share this particular program and hit the like button. Let's go, please.
Ị ga-akpacha anya were nwayọọ tinye arụ. A ga-enwerịrị misunderstanding. Yes. Ihe mere gị an intelligent, smart and good leader with your ability to manage your group. No complain. Tinubu now, and when you say fair leader, you also ya ka ọ na-akụkọ or ya leader. I pop kwasa today, and especially eta no una ha gị ka ọ na-agba round. Ihe ọsọ kwa gị kpọọ Simon Ekpa Ekperima. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nke ka nna agwa. Ihe ọsọ gị kpọọ Simon Ekpa Ekperima. You created that Ekperima. Ị gaghị akọla hụ ya. Because apụta ụgba na ndị a na-akwa ndị Igbo niile Simon Ekpa lọta n'ala Igbo enwere ike stone ya today. Apụkwa ihe few people na-eso ya na-akọ. Simon Ekpa nwụkwụ n'ala Igbo enwere ike stone ya to death. But you created him. Today, you can open that icon. You can open that Saint Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But you created a man that is in jail.
Jụọ nwaanyị asị ya kedu ihe Simon Ekpa mere. Mazi Simon Ekpa mere ihe eji wee buru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. Because before buru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is no Simon anywhere, anything, doing anything in Biafra land. What we will have is Eastern Security Network. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was crying. They are now asking me to submit instant security network to the governors, which after K kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, these idiots in DOS came out to tell millions of Biafrans that they have given instant security network to the governors for payment. Who among you people question the criminals and the idiots? Who among you people? They said, oh, so you know, feeling rival Mugu. Oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa, it is a very big lie. The people making noise anywhere is Biafrans are with Mazi Simon Ekpa. We collected 50 million referendum on junior verification. Junior, you can only vote once. Even people, before you vote, before I voted, it will scan you, take your face. If you have voted before, you can no longer vote. Those people that voted before wanted to vote for their family. The thing rejected them, that they can no longer vote, even with the phone. They want to use another Gmail to vote. It's rejecting them because they have used that same phone to vote. They can no longer log in anywhere to vote for any of their family. So how come we were able to get 50 million? Junior verification. And this Okoko is saying somebody who got 50 million signatory. Let Umu DOS make anything now. Go to Junior and get 5 million. DOS, get 5 million. Design, go and give Junior contract. Bring their app to get 5 million votes on your referendum. They cannot do it anywhere. A man who got 50 million, you will still. This woman, this woman is a Nigerian citizen and a Canadian citizen. In case if you don't know, that is by Kana, not by reality. On Canadian loud. And she have lost control. She cannot be Biafran citizen. She is a Nigerian citizen. That is where she belongs. Sokoto, they want to suppress Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Since they felt that they can use Tunumbu and the game. They felt that they can use this refrat. Oh, step him up his position. Then impose yourself. Let people follow you. Then if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refuses, we will buy him. That is what the mission that they are in. And the people will no longer say anything. That is the mission that they are in. But they have hit a stiff wall. They have hit a stiff wall. I am letting them to know the truth. I am Mwashiburobi place. And we know the truth. It is only the truth that can set us free. Now let us go on, please. Let us go on this very platform and keep on preaching the good news.
While you are in jail, I need to celebrate again. Now, what Kiriana, while Simon Ekman on a jail, I need to demonize ya. Now, why are Fafa? Remember, I forget, in here, Proya wait, Pidima. In here, so one, Negua Yakus no, on Yagua Genegana control on the Madote again.
The same you who came out to tell the Biafra people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu failed to stop the Simon Ekpa when he was doing program. The same you is now telling people in order because they are a network of propaganda. So that those of us defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will say, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called Mazi Simon Ekpa. It is never done. It is a lie, typical lie. Typical lie from the pit of hell. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never. All of you know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never been afraid of anybody. During all this time, they have been the one saying, even the Benjamin, the idiot called Benjamin Madabonyoshi, was saying, oh, we will not support Simon. We will not support Simon. Today, the people that the idiot called Benjamin have supported with his jugglers, like, the people that he have supported, the idiots, where are they today? Insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And then the Simon Ekpa that he is saying, oh, he came to hijack the struggle. Have Mazi Simon ever hijacked the struggle? No. Then who is looking forward to hijack the struggle? The criminals in DOS. And the idiot called Benjamin is writing on social media, oh, why is it that they should go back, if they don't love IPOB, that they should go and create their own? The idiot called Benjamin created the monster that is bedeviling him today. And this woman have to, they have to manipulate those of you. Oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called Mazi Simon Ekperima so that you will no longer oppose what the criminals in DOS are doing. No, we will oppose it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remains our leader. Opogon Mazi Simon Ekperima, yes, we love that Ekperima. And I think Mazi Simon Ekperima very soon. And I'm not your Chineke nna. Oh, nka mmadụ na-ahụghị orie. Ọ bụrụ na m nwere ego ngoro ekperima number 1. Ọ bụrụ na those of you gote enyenu m ya, ọ dị m ahụ mma. Ekperima number 1. It doesn't concern you people. On social media, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jikwe were IPOB family business. We are stripping off that family business from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and this. The same IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created, found career. If you have any value anywhere, why don't you create your own and let people join you? On your creator, kun garaga join ya, na posi ya criminal, na your creator. Ndoshi. This tunas and worship that hijack the money that belongs to men on the ground. Use will make his own organization called what is his name? Dead Man Squad. And Benjamin, you have the idea of Dead Man Squad. Did you say anything? Today you are coming out to rally around Chineke Yakpo Chineke Yakpo Benjamin Mmadubonyoshi and the idiot in DOS, because Benjamin Mmadubonyoshi created the idiots in DOS that are insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. And I take no, I do not love anybody, anywhere, bringing insult to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This old Lukusi, that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no in detention, na hane praise here, are you people not the ones telling people, no, you're the amending matter of 419 or part of the prison? Are the DOS not the people telling people, no lead the people to elect by their, is that the prison? I see it not some DOS who said that Nogariga Arawani in Kenya without telling them. Is that the prison? Oh, and who tells you to praise anybody? Do we know that you exist? You are present. Do we know that you exist? I am Mwashiburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Let's go out and listen to Wanye Punk and the Ibubaroka again.
It's on your quota, gives a michonichi. On your guagino, Cressa, when the Naquamas Martin in what one to get shake, what to shake. It doesn't work that way. In order you could say, well, I'm getting here, do to get now, and they want us how won't do to get. Japon even Mando to Simon Epanapon, Manezo Quaggy could your mother get queer. But on the mother no wrong, we have no behakun, yes, Nansubu. In as much as I ain't chakweten at the struggle, I ain't chakweten at the Biafra. I got like, Ke Haje ya Haje.
The most confused woman of Omania. I am not in your group. IPAB. I do not belong to your group. Ndina control Vundina your group. Nah, I ain't check with the struggle. Madam, you quit the struggle. Keep on your leader. You are like a Haje. How? On our Wazigi, Oloye Shia Hajia, since you accepted the no leader of his own group. On our Haji, guess you know. No, ya has here through this way. On game of leader. Sometimes no, look at one and Lajo, or let the bone the beacon. Hey, ele ndị na-alụ nwaanyị a maka nwaanyị a ọ ghọrọ ahịala mmadụ. Ọ nọ in this very program na-ekwukwa okwu na-akọntamotukwa onwe ya. Ọ na-ekwu na-agwakwa onwe ya nna na ya ọ na-emekwe nkoeri. Ọ sị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ the leader of IPOB. Nọ ndị group ya ka ọ ya lead, which means that if Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ the leader, let him lead the group. Ọ na ọkwazie n'ime ya na-agwakwa ya si ya mba na o ya ewere pawa nye ndị a. Kedu ka ihe esi ewere pawa gị nwa ya agwazi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ndị otu ya ebe ị mazi na ọ ya nwa bụ the leader. Ọ onye ọ gwara gị bụ onye otu ya bụ onye otu ya. Ọ by force work with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ reject a ga mee nke gị. Ọ bụ reject a ga-ebịa ihe a. Ụwazirike created Masop. O nwere onye ya na Ụwazirike na-azọ Masop. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was in Masop. When Ụwazirike became his criminal, he left and created indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. When Mazi Simon Ekpa wants to control the things that are happening because the criminals in DOS are not sincere, they betrayed him. Oh, you are not a member of IPOB. Oh, you are not a member. Go out and create your own. Mazi Simon Ekpa found the Biafra government in exile. Found the Biafra government in exile. It became mass movement that collected 50 million referendum from our own people. Since it's in our highest stone, Mazi Simon Ekpa, then why you back when Mazi Simon Ekpa is menace and alibo? Every year stone here. Amano ndanako, ebo menace and alibo. Which means he have many supporters. On Nneakwuna, Mazi Simon Ekpa have controlled everywhere na Igbo. Which means people are supporting Mazi Simon Ekpa. Then how is it you that is minority? Na sometimes mkoba ukondo na agbamghari mana iyeje na-egekwe nwaanyị a ntị. N'ihi na if I did not give this woman platform to speak, I say, oh, you are against her, this and that. I will give us platform to speak this rubbish. Let's go.
Ka ị hazie ya hazie ka anyị nwee ike ịdị safe. Achọrọ m ịdị safe. Achọrọ m ịla ala Igbo in peace. Ụfọdụ ndị sị ha sị m na ibu IPOB mata n'isi. Ọwa IPOB mata na-ebute anyị security. Ile anya ugbu a na ndị amịsị ha ga-abịa mee operation udo ka ọ mmadụ dị few of us litekwa ugbu a tiwe mkpi ya. Ndị niile a na-eklem loyalty enwebeghị onye pụta mee video condemn ndị ahụ. Okwa neutral people like me. Because I na-ekwa IPOB a. Unu echefọ na action unu egbuola ọtụtụ ndị.
Ị na-ege ntị ihe nwaanyị a na-ekwu ebe a. Nwaanyị a na-ejikwa aka ya agba onwe ya egbe. Ọ sị ndị amị sị na ha ya abịa mee operation Udoka n'ala Igbo. And n'ime all these very people who claim leadership from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that none of them have come out to condemn the actions of the Nigerian army. None of them have come out to condemn the actions of Nigerian army, according to her. Then why no neutral people like her? Then why are you, the same you that knew that they have not come out to condemn the evil of the Nigerian army? Why are you insinuating that the same people should take over the leadership when they are incapable, when they are not doing anything? Amam ko no na ghọta ihe nwaanyị a na-akọ ebe a. Na ndị amị sị na ha ya abịa mee operation Udoka n'ala Igbo. That na ndị niile na-eso Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, that none of them have stood up to condemn the action of the Nigerian army. No, descend them. Descend them. No, enweghị ebe ha belong. Descend them. Na-ekwu wee na-asị o na ha na-condemn the actions of Nigerian army. Descend them according to what she's making you people to believe. Now, the question ị tosiri na-ajụ nwaanyị a sị ya o nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri anyị nụrụ ihe i kwuru. Nobody have come out to condemn the Nigerian army. Nobody, according to you. They have not come out to condemn the Nigerian army. No only Nginwa. Then why are you forcing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to give the leadership to the same people is now condemned by the action of the Nigerian army. And this action a lot of people. They did not condemn it. They welcome it. They are not saying anything about it. They welcome it. Then the same you na sisi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nye those people ochi. You have a question. Every sensible people to siri na ajụ nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri a. Ola ka eze dị ka ọ tara akwụ. Ama udiri Canadian loud nwaanyị nke a na-aṅụ mmanụ. Canadian loud ọ bụla ọ na-aṅụ adịghịkwa mma n'ahụ. Ọ na-eme ya ọ na-akọ ka ndị ara. Ọ ya na-akọ na-akọndem onwe na-akọkwa ha na I don't understand. Mana anyị ka nọ ebe a nụnwa. We go nowhere. Forward ever, backward never. Let's go back and listen to nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri. Till mgbe mmụọ m sị no, we can no longer listen to this rubbish. Then we call it a day. Let's go and listen.
Unu echefu na action unu ụmụ nwaanyị nwere ndị wu breadwinner ha nọ na nga today. Enwe na ụmụ nwaanyị obi gbụra ha nwụọ dị otu ụmụ ha egburu egbu because of IPOB. Today now, federal government declare IPOB as ndị na-sponsor terrorism. I'm going to speak on it. Ihe niile a na-agba okirikiri enwe nke ga-emepe ọnụ ugbu a na condemn federal government.
Mana onwe na ndị egburu egbu. What is the action of ndị DOS? Ịmara na onwe na ndị nọ na nga. What is the action of ndị DOS in order to rescue those people? What are their action in order to get freedom? Isekwa were kwe enye ha, and ịmakwa na ndị a niile na-agba okirikiri na onweghị onye n'ime ha ya emepe ọnụ condemn or it. Why are you then insisting na enyekwere ha? Nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri na iwe ewebego m mma kwụsị nwaanyị a ya ko erizina. Bịa madam labana n'isa gwụsiwo nkoeri juru gọnụ. Amen. Onye nwụrụ anwụ nọnyere nwaanyị ya na mmụọ niile nọ n'ala Biafra, the great ekwensu kụba ya chụba ya kụtuo ya. Amen. Unu ahụnanụ ka nwaanyị mkpụrụ mmiri si wee pụta na-ekwu okwu wee na-agwa the leader of indigenous people of Biafra Chukwu ahụrụ anya na ya ọ na-esendịrị ya message on Facebook, and ọ gwara unu the other day na ya ọ gara ịga ahụ ka ha na-ekpa nkata. Then nke a na ọ chọsiri isendịbụ Facebook, unu ahụna na o wee bụrụ ya na Chukwu ahụrụ anya achụgo ya ọsọ ebe ọ ya na-anọzi na-ayịara na-abụ na Facebook, and anyị nwa na onwe anyị nọ na this very Facebook ya agwọ ya ara. Ọ bụrụ na ya agwọ nwaanyị ya ara ka marakwa ọ na-akọ ka foto m n'ime ihe niile nwaanyị a na-akọ 40 something minutes aga na o mere 7 minutes video. Onwe na single point ịhụrụ nwaanyị a ọ ya ekwu jirikwa aka condemn onwe. Ọ ya sị werekwenye ha werekwa aka sị na onwe ihe ndị a na-eme. Ọ ya sị just ọ nọ ebe a akụkọ ndị ara na ọ bụrụgonu na ebe a bụ psychiatric na anyị nọ ebe a ndị ara akọ ụdịrị akụkọ a ihe anyị eme bụ anyị chịkọrọ labasị ndị ara ụnụ akọwena. Ndị afọ achịkọrọ na m n'ala ndị ara ụnụ akọwena ụnụ eme kọgide kọfụ isi anyị. I am Nwachiburu, please bringing this to an end. Bye for now, please.